Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome to our channel Kids Kingdom. What is this?
Meow.
Very good. Wow. Smiley face. Super.
Circle.
Oh, it's a circle. Very good. Next. What is this?
Apple.
It's an apple. Very good. Okay, snake. Snake. Draw the snake. Wow. What is this?
Wait.
It's a snake. Very good. Potato.
Potato.
Potato. It's a
Potato.
potato. Next, bus. Kite.
Toy.
It's a
Bus.
bus. What is this?
Sun.
Oh, it's a sun. Very good.
Hey, listen.
He's sun.
Ice.
Ears. Hair. Very good. It's a
Baby.
baby.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Water. It's a
Water.
water. Wow.
Water.
It's a water fish. Very good. It's a fish.
Wow.
Wow.
Fish.
Fish. Rainbow. Very good. What is this?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Very good.
Baby.
Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Hey, what is this?
Orange.
Orange. Very good.
Egg.
Which one is orange?
Orange.
Next, this one.
Egg.
Egg. Very good. Wow, super! It's a hat. Very good. What is this?
Banana.
Watermelon. Very good. Kids Kingdom. What is this?
Head.
Head. Very good. What is this?
Big.
Pig. Very good. What is this?
Duck.
Cap. What cap? What is this?
Balloon.
What is this?
Balloon.
Balloon. Very good. It's a balloon. Thread giver. Balloon ki thread. Hey, very good. What is this?
Balloon.
It's a balloon. Very good. What is this?
Eno.
It's a mango. Very good.